Hello everybody, welcome to HD Interiors, where luxurious design meets smart, space-saving solutions. Today, we're diving into a collection of elegant small bathroom design ideas that combine style with practicality. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom without sacrificing luxury, these tips will show you how to transform a compact space into a stunning retreat. From high-end materials to clever design choices, we've got everything you need to elevate your bathroom's look and feel. Ready to make your small bathroom a standout? Let's get started. When it comes to luxury in small bathrooms, the choice of materials can make a huge difference. Marble accents are a timeless choice that instantly elevate the space. Imagine a sleek marble feature wall or a chic marble countertop. These elements bring sophistication and a touch of grandeur to any bathroom. Even if you're working with limited square footage, marble can make a strong visual impact. Alongside marble, consider using high-end tiles for your floors and walls. Opt for large format tiles to create a seamless look that minimizes grout lines and makes the space feel more expansive. Tiles made from premium materials like porcelain or natural stone add a layer of elegance that's both durable and stylish. By choosing these luxurious materials, you can achieve a sophisticated, high-end look even in a compact space. Maximizing a small bathroom's potential often involves incorporating space-saving features without compromising on luxury. One standout option is a glass-enclosed walk-in shower. A frameless glass shower not only creates an illusion of more space, but also adds a modern, sleek touch to your bathroom. Pairing it with a rainfall shower head enhances the spa-like experience, making everyday routines feel like a luxurious escape. Another excellent choice for small bathrooms is a floating vanity. This design choice not only frees up floor space, making the room feel more open, but also provides a contemporary aesthetic. Opt for a floating vanity with a luxurious countertop made of materials like quartz or marble to add an extra layer of elegance. Wall-mounted faucets are another great way to save space while maintaining a high-end look. They create a clean, streamlined appearance and work well with statement sinks made from natural stone or unique designs. Together, these features blend functionality with luxury, ensuring your small bathroom is both practical and stylish. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the luxury of a small bathroom. To create a glamorous ambience, consider incorporating bold lighting fixtures such as a chic chandelier or stylish pendant lights. These elements not only serve as focal points but also add a touch of elegance that transforms the space. For added functionality, LED mirrors provide both bright illumination and a modern aesthetic, perfect for daily routines. When it comes to color, opt for a rich color palette to add depth and sophistication. Deep, moody tones like navy blue or charcoal gray can make a small bathroom feel more intimate and luxurious. Pair these colors with accents in gold or brass to create a striking contrast and enhance the sense of opulence. By carefully selecting your colors and lighting, you can craft a bathroom that feels both stylish and spacious, despite its size. To complete the transformation of your small bathroom, focus on luxury hardware and fixtures. Choosing high-end finishes like brushed gold, matte black, or polished nickel for your taps, handles, and shower heads can significantly elevate the overall design. These details not only enhance functionality but also add a refined touch to your space. Additionally, recessed shelving is a smart way to keep your bathroom organized while maintaining a sleek look. Built-in shelves in the shower or walls can discreetly house your essentials, reducing clutter and adding to the bathroom's streamlined appearance. These thoughtful touches ensure your small bathroom feels both luxurious and effortlessly stylish. Now, let's talk about bringing the beauty of nature into your bathroom with wood. It's not just about the floor, it's about infusing warmth into every corner. Wood vanities are having a moment, and rightfully so. If you're not a fan of wood vanities, don't worry. Painted vanities in rich, warm colors are stealing the spotlight. Neutrals are still in, but the gray has taken a turn towards a more inviting taupe shade. And when it comes to cabinets, it's not just about storage anymore. Built-in features are the name of the game. Outlets for your gadgets, cubbies for your styling tools, it's about blending function seamlessly with style. Transforming a small bathroom into a luxurious retreat is all about combining thoughtful design with high-end details. From rich materials like marble and premium tiles to sleek space-saving features and elegant lighting, these elements can elevate your bathroom's style and functionality. By incorporating these ideas, you'll create a space that feels both sophisticated and spacious, no matter its size. If you found these tips helpful and want more design inspiration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors. We've got plenty more ideas to help you create beautiful and functional spaces in your home. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.